Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. In this video, we are going to do the unboxing and complete review of the Artline Ergoline, and this is a calligraphy set which I got it from a friend of mine, and I'd been using this particular pen for a very long time, almost a year, and after a year I'm able to give you my complete review of this pen. And you can get this on Amazon, guys, for the price or a discounted rate. So check out the link in the description. I'll be mentioning the latest price. And these are the three pens which you get: the tip number 1, tip number 2, and tip number 3. So there are different tips for different pen, and the number is already embedded on the body of this and also on the buckle also. So I feel like this is the one of the best sets which you can get in getting started with learning calligraphy. I'm a calligraphy artist and I write some nice artistic form, and I've also done reviews of previous pens like the Parker, which comes with a calligraphy tip and all. So again, this is like a sketch pen, guys, and basically what you can do is, if you are very beginner, this is the right pen to buy instead of directly going for something like Parker, because these are very affordable and the nib is also quite good, guys, and the number is directly there on the buckle itself. And if you'll have any issues, guys, just WhatsApp me anytime. And this is how it looks. This is the nib one, and basically, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell notification icon and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and X at the rate Creative Soft, which would help my channel a lot. And let me just show you how this feels, guys. And this is the smallest one, that is the tip number 1 or pen 1. And I've been using all of these for different forms of writing and a lot of writing of cards, etc. So as you all know, I'm writing many cards and letters to my families and dear ones, and these pens are very much useful. So previously I had been using this for writing my diary, because that is the best practice. If you have a diary and if you keep writing, guys, it is definitely going to improve your skills and handwriting, because my handwriting have drastically improved for the past 2 to 3 years after using the Parker. And this is a welcome move, because I'm going to write some nice titles with this, and I'm also going to show you how these pens are, guys. Only the downside of this particular pens, what I feel is, the paper has to be very solid. I mean, it should not bloat, because this being like a sketch pen, there is some form of bloating, guys. The ink is not that great, I would say. And especially if you see my diary, it is very thick, so it is perfect in writing with this particular pen. And let me show you some other nibs also. So I'm just going to put something like write just one word like Daytona. Of course, I'm not going to write the entire script, because if I write it, this video won't be enough. And I'm just going to show you the difference as which is one of the best for daily practice or writing, because the nib number 3 or the pen 3, you can definitely use it for a bigger titles, guys. Like, if you want to make the titles or the headline in very much bold, then you can use the pen 3. And this is the pen 2, by the way. Let me just show you over here. And this pen 2 is, I think, my favorite, because you can use it for daily writing and all. This calligraphy pen number 1 is mostly for artistic or small writing, or drawing certain things. But I'm just going to show you how it writes, because if you are a calligraphy artist, and you know that there is not much difference between the curves and the slants which this particular pen gives, because the nib is extremely tiny. And you can, if your handwriting is very small, guys, I would recommend go with the 1. But for my handwriting, which is like a medium kind of size, the tip 2 is the best. And titles, all I'm writing with the pen 3, and I'm actually impressed with the pen 3, guys, because the way the D you write it and all, etc., and the slants and a lot of things which is better, like at the end of the strokes and all. So the pen 3 is better. But for my daily writing, I would say the calligraphy pen 2 is the best for my kind of handwriting. If your handwriting is small, guys, again, you'll definitely have to stick with the pen 1. And I feel if you see the pen 1, it bloats less. And even if you have a thinner paper, the pen 1 is the best, guys. Of course, your handwriting, it all depends on how much you practice. But if you are into writing and if you want to improve your handwriting, then Artline is this pen set of calligraphy is the best. So definitely check out the link in the description to get it for a discounted price on Amazon. So this is what I feel. I'm just going to write another word over here, and let me just show you later on how my handwriting is. Okay, let me know in the comments below if my handwriting is good, or again I need to improve upon it, because I'm starting with something like copper plate style calligraphy, and I'm into a different kind of writing compared to this particular pens. So these are nice, and for your daily homework, or if you're a student, for daily notes and all, this is the perfect pen you can get. And jotting down notes, etc. If you're going for tuition, definitely carry this pen to just improve your handwriting. And I got this in black, guys. So basically I don't know if other colors are available. You all can check on the Amazon site, and let me know how is the handwriting and how the slants, etc. Are of this particular pen. And I feel this is one of the best pens which I have in my collection, because I have other calligraphy pens also. And this is it, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic, and subscribe to my channel, and do check out this also other videos which we have it. And again, guys, like every day, thanks a lot for watching my video, and see you in my next video.